In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kijabi account. Creating a Kijabi account is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you get started smoothly. Whether you're looking to set up an online course or build a membership site, Kijabi offers the perfect platform with its user-friendly interface and powerful tools. So let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to head over to the Kijabi website where you'll find the pricing plans. You can get started by visiting their site, which sets the stage for your new journey. The link to their pricing plans is easily accessible, and from there, kickstarting your Kijabi experience begins in 3 simple steps. Once on the pricing page, take a moment to review the options. Even if you're just starting, they have a free trial available, which can be incredibly helpful to explore their offerings at no cost initially. Now that you're on the pricing page, you'll need to type in your email address. This step ensures that Kijabi can send you important information such as account setup details and trial reminders. Ensure you use an email that you have access to, as this email becomes your primary contact point with Kijabi. After entering your email, the next step you'll want to take is clicking on Get Started for free. This button is your portal to officially begin your journey with Kijabi. Clicking this confirms your interest and aligns you with their introductory offers. You're then prompted to provide your first name. This is fairly straightforward but important, as it personalizes your account and any communications you will receive from Kijabi moving forward. Following this, you'll enter your last name. Again, this is standard practice and helps in identifying your account more formally. Moving on to the security aspect of your account, you're required to create a password. It's vital here to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your account remains secure. Once you've typed in your password, you'll be asked to confirm it. Make sure both entries match to avoid any login issues later. With these steps out of the way, we now shift to adding your payment information. Although you're signing up for a free trial, entering this information is a routine procedure that will only be utilized once your trial period concludes, should you choose to continue with Kijabi services. Lastly, click on the Start Free Trial button. This final click elevates you from a potential user to an active trial participant, entitling you to explore all that Kijabi has to offer within your trial period. Make sure you've completed all fields accurately, and once confirmed, you are good to go. This sets the foundation for a vast array of creative possibilities with Kijabi. And there you have it, simple and straightforward steps to creating your Kijabi account. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy exploring what Kijabi can do for you.